Find a comfortable position, either seated or laying down, and let your hands rest easily. If it feels safe, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow inhale through your nose and a longer exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale, and when you exhale, imagine you're letting the anxiety drift out of your body, like when you see your breath being expelled on a very cold day. Quietly say to yourself, in this moment, I'm safe enough to pause. In this moment, I'm safe enough to pause. So let's calm down the body a little bit more by using a simple breathing technique. So we're going to inhale for 4 and exhale for 6. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Each exhale is a soft signal to your nervous system that it's okay to rest, to pause, to let go. Now bring your attention to your inner experience. Notice where the anxiety is and how it feels. Where in your body does it feel tight or buzzing or warmer than usual or heavy pressure or restless? And silently label it very simply as anxiety is here. So you're not saying something is wrong or I'm going to make it stop. You're just simply letting the anxiety be where it is. And now add, I can make space for it. So imagine you're widening the sensation around yourself, like you're giving room for the anxiety to be there without letting it drive you. So rather than compacting the anxiety into a small part of you, you're letting it just be one of the many feelings that you have, but it's not in control of you. So let's ground your body by bringing your attention to 3 points of contact. Your feet on the floor, or the feeling of your legs supported, the weight of your body on the chair or bed or floor, and your hands resting. So press gently into each of these points just for a moment, just enough to feel the strength and support. Now let's do a quick scan through the body and soften where we can. So from the top of your scalp, all the way down your face, your shoulders, all the way down your torso, through your hips, your legs and your feet. And if anxiety starts asking questions or throwing out, but what if this, that and the other, you can respond by saying, not now anxiety, and simply return to the sensation of the weight of your body on the chair or the bed. So for the next few moments, when we exhale, say to yourself, this is a wave I can ride. This is a wave I can ride. So gently place a hand on your chest or your belly and say quietly, may I be kind to myself. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back fully into the room and be present.